Health is wealth. Hey fitness lovers, today I'm up with a special duffel gym bag. Guys, let's create our own favorite gym pack from our favorite used jeans. I shall convert this hot pink jeans into a gym duffel bag. So let's get started. First turn it inside out and follow the steps. Divide it into exact half. Cut off a neat rectangle of 15 into 12 inches from the bottom half of the pant. Join them by fixing a zip. Separate the front zip area. Fix it as shown. Fold the zip scale and mark. Now keep it upside down and stitch the zip on the marking. Stitch the sides and bottom to fix it. Use one piece from the top half to get another rectangle of 15 into 8 inches for the base of the bag. Prepare a belt to fix on the sides of the top zip. Use the leftover pieces to make the belt of 1.5 into 40 inches and fix it as done. Let's work on the sides now. Prepare a circular stencil out of newspaper with a radius of 4.5 inches. Keep this stencil on the second top half and cut 2 such circles for the sides of the bag. Use the back of the pant to create a pocket on sides. Fix the zip as shown. Pin the sides and get it stitched. As per the length and breadth of the bag, take a thick liner fabric of same measurement. Cut 2 circles using the same newspaper stencil. Stitch the opening. Keep a gap of ½ inch and join the sides. Turn it inside out. Insert the bag. Hot glue to join the mouth of the liner with the zip of the bag. Oh, it was fun doing this task. Use it on your way for your workout or gift it to your fitness freak friends. They'll surely love it. Zeb shall soon be back with many more upcycling hacks. So do share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such creativity. Keep yourself fit and healthy.